Welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install Chrome browser on your FireStick. So guys, if you want to install the Chrome browser on your FireStick, it is very simple process. Okay, so guys, as we know that we are using the browser for surfing the internet on any application and any devices. Okay, so guys, FireStick also support the Chrome browser, but there is no direct way to install the Chrome browser in your own FireStick. Okay, so guys, let's start. So guys, before starting this process, you can move to your app store. Okay, in the app store you can click here, and here you can see your app store. Then you can going to the search section. Here you can download the downloader. Okay, so guys, downloader. So guys, I am using the Alexa. So guys, if you don't have the Alexa, so you can directly search by using the keyboard. Okay, so guys, here I think here this is our downloader application. So I am already download, so it is directly open when I click on it. So it is asking some permission, so you can allow, and you can also give the permission on the Amazon Fire Stick. I try to show you. So you can go to this section, and here you can go to the my Fire Stick, and here developer option, then install the unknown application. So guys, after giving these permissions, you can go back to the downloader. Okay, then guys, in the URL you can search one link. So guys, you can carefully what you typed. Okay, so guys, I am trying to write things, so then you can copy. Okay, then guys, you can search to QI, then again caps and X W, then small letter K, then letter O. Okay guys, after searching this, you can click on simply go option, and you do not need to press any keyword and any button. It will be automatically installed downloading in your system. So guys, you can see 2.5 MB is the size of our Chrome browser. Okay, so you can see. So guys, I can try to again. I think I lost my connection. So guys, I think I am typed the wrong, so I try to rewrite it, so you can see and wait. So guys, now this is our new URL. So you can see this is our new URL, and please try to write where carefully. If a single digit is missing, so its whole URL is wrong. Okay, so I'm pressing on the go, then it is start to connecting to the server, and our file is starting download in a process. So guys, it is around 64.4 MB. Okay, and if you're having the good internet connection, so it is automatically download fast. So I have a little bit slow, so I am waiting for installation. Okay guys, so guys, here is the direct way to install the Google Chrome in your Fire Stick. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.